Good afternoon and a warm welcome from the Imsyser team. This is Diane speaking, and as per usual, we work through a series of videos to clearly instruct everybody on the product ranges that we have. As you're well aware, we have the Imsyser flagship range, which is available countrywide in Diskems and various other pharmacies. We have our new His&Her skincare range, and that is one of the products we're going to be discussing today. In the skincare range, we've tried to stay as unique as possible, as basic as possible, as natural as possible, working with beauty inside out. And for those purposes, we have a probiotic as well, beauty inside out. And then in our skincare range, we have the probiotic included in all the products to ensure contingency. As I said, beauty inside out, health inside out, because your skin health is pretty much a replication of your gut health. And if the gut health is all wrong, clearly the skin health is going to battle as well. The skin is the largest organ in the body. As part of the His&Her range, we have a product as well. It's the ActiV product. I can just show you that one. I should show you over there, the His&Her range. So we do have a Pro Hair Nail, which actually supports the hair growth, the skin health, the nail health, and then we have the ActiV Booster. Other than very much understanding what is in the name, ActiV Booster, it definitely is a libido, a sexual boost, an energy boost. It has the natural ingredients to assist with all of that, but it also helps with a natural the natural ability to stabilize and balance natural hormones in the body and support the skin health, the aging process from an inside out perspective. As I said, these products are internal use products supporting skin care inside out, and that's where the ActiV Booster comes into play. All our products, as you know, we use natural herbal ingredients to ensure good healing inside out and then supporting skin health. So that's the His&Her ActiV Booster. We've got the Imsyser Pro Hair Nail as part of the range, and then the Imsyser Probiotic supporting skincare. And in the skincare, we have a fantastic range with a biotic spray, which stabilizes the natural microbiome on the skin. We then have three different moisturizing solutions, and one is more for the acne skins where the ingredients are slightly different. So hope that does you well. That's the Imsyser range, more specific, the His&Her skin range in the Imsyser brand. Keep well. Thank you. Bye-bye.